Right people, how we doing? Just got to run through a few different options we've got here for solar and power when you're out on the trail. These are the different bits we've got. We've got these solar powered battery banks. This one's pretty good. You may think it's not as good as this one because this one's got 3 panels, but it's actually pretty decent. This holds a lot more charge. It's bigger, it's heavier, lithium ion, so it's heavy, so you know it holds a bit. But basically all you do is leave this out in the sun. You've got your charging port at the bottom. Comes with a light, pretty bright light actually. 1 second, let me turn that on for you. It's hard to see on here, but yeah, it's a pretty decent light that comes with it. You won't want to leave it on too long, you don't need to. You can probably put it on for like 2 or 3 hours. It's enough to keep your phone charged up on a decent day. This one's pretty good as well. It's got a smaller battery, but obviously it's got more panels. So it's pretty decent. But what you can do is, to top it up, you can just add this one onto it. So this here, you've got 4 panels, but they're a lot bigger than that. And it actually works pretty well. Ventura, pretty decent one. You've got your plug-in points there. So basically, you just plug your USB into that. So what I would do is I would take this is the USB that would charge one of the battery banks, like this one here, for instance. I would take this, plug this into that, and charge this up from it. Or you could put your phone on it and add the other one out as well. Another thing you can sort of do, walkie-talkies, you know, if you're out fishing or on like a camping holiday or something like that, and you need to keep in touch with your kids, your family. This is USB rechargeable. So, sorry, just doing this one-handed. USB rechargeable. So again, you don't really need any power. You don't need to keep going back to your car, putting it in charge in your car and draining the battery. Like, you're good to go with the sun. And for how much this stuff takes, like, this is enough. This will do you. It's not actually a problem. Another one, the torch, pretty good. I'll put the links in the description to all this stuff below. But a few different settings. A lower one, it's got the flash there. I'm not sure if that's SOS. I don't think it is. But either way, if you want to get attention, it's good. It's pretty bright. Use it fishing. It does the job. And again, USB rechargeable. You pull under there. And it all packs away light. It's not really heavy. So you've got really there a kit that's pretty indispensable. Like, you can use it as you go. You don't need to charge anything up at home. Like, it helps to have a little bit on it. You don't want to let the batteries run too flat. Also, if they're cold, they won't work as well. So if you've got them in your bag, just wrap them up in something if they've got plenty of charge on them. So that keeps it pretty good. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Links in the description below. Have a look, subscribe, like, comment. Tell us how we can do better. Thanks.